In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a line in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so your content sits neatly in the middle of the cell, making your sheet easier to read at a glance. Start by opening your sheet and clicking the cell whose alignment you want to change. You'll see a bold border around the active cell. If you want to align more than one cell, you can click and drag to select a range, or hold Shift and click another cell to select everything in between. This works for single cells, entire rows, or full columns, including header cells, as long as you have permission to edit formatting. Now, direct your attention to the toolbar running across the top of Smartsheet. This is where most formatting controls live. Look for the alignment section. It's typically represented by a small icon of horizontal bars stacked on top of each other. Right next to it, you'll usually see buttons for left, center, and right alignment. With your cell or cells selected, click the Center Alignment button. The text will jump to the middle horizontally, and the change applies instantly to everything you've highlighted. A few quick notes to help you make the most of this. Center alignment affects horizontal placement only. It doesn't move content up or down inside the cell. Vertical positioning is managed by row height and text wrapping. If your text is wrapped to multiple lines, center alignment will center the block of text on each line, which can make multi-line entries look more balanced. If you change your mind, you can reverse the action using your standard undo command. Not every cell type will appear to respond the same way. Text/number fields, dates, and drop-down selections will center visually. Checkbox or symbol columns may not look different when aligned because of how those elements are rendered. That's normal. Also, if the alignment buttons are grayed out, the sheet row or column might be locked, or your sharing permissions might limit formatting. In that case, you'll need editing rights to make the change. Keep in mind that formatting, such as alignment, is sticky. If you copy and paste values into a centered cell, the new content remains centered. Likewise, using the fill handle to extend cells will carry the alignment along with other formatting, and that's all there is to it. Select your cell, head to the alignment section on the top toolbar, and choose Center. It's a small adjustment that can make your sheet feel cleaner, more organized, and easier to scan.